What is the best way to invest money wisely? Investing wisely is one of the most powerful tools to build wealth, achieve financial goals, and secure your future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a house, or just looking to grow your money over time, smart investing is all about strategy, patience, and informed choices. In this article, we'll break down the best ways to invest money wisely, especially for beginners or those looking to improve their financial habits. 1. Start with clear financial goals. Before putting your money into any investment, ask yourself, what am I investing for? Retirement, home, education, etc. What is my investment timeline? Short-term versus long-term. How much risk am I comfortable taking? Your goals will determine where and how you should invest. 2. Build a strong financial foundation first. Wise investing starts with financial discipline. Here's how to prepare. Pay off high-interest debts, like credit cards. Create an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Stick to a budget to track income, expenses, and savings. Once this foundation is solid, your investments can grow without constant withdrawal or worry. 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Smart investors diversify to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Common options include stock market, buying shares in companies, long-term growth potential. Bonds, lower risk, provide steady interest income. Mutual funds, ETFs, professionally managed portfolios with built-in diversification. Real estate, properties can appreciate over time and offer rental income. Cryptocurrency, high risk and reward. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Commodities, gold, silver, oil, often used as hedges against inflation. The best portfolio is balanced across different asset classes and adjusted over time. 4. Invest in what you understand. Never invest in something you don't understand. Whether it's stocks, Bitcoin, or real estate, take time to learn how it works, what drives its value, the risks involved. A smart investor is an informed investor. 5. Think long-term. The wisest investment strategy is often the simplest: buy and hold. Long-term investments benefit from compound interest, market recovery after downturns, lower taxes in many cases, like capital gains. Chasing quick profits usually leads to losses. Patience pays. 6. Don't try to time the market. Trying to buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest rarely works. Even experts get it wrong. Instead, invest consistently, monthly or quarterly. Use dollar-cost averaging to reduce the impact of market volatility. Over time, this strategy leads to more stable growth. 7. Keep learning and stay updated. Markets change, and so should your knowledge. Stay up to date by reading investment books or blogs, following financial news, listening to podcasts or attending webinars, learning from successful investors like Warren Buffett. Knowledge is your greatest investment tool. 8. Consider professional advice. If you're unsure where to start, a financial advisor can help you. Create a custom investment plan. Manage risk. Minimize taxes. Rebalance your portfolio. Choose a certified advisor with good reviews and clear fees. The best way to invest money wisely isn't about quick wins. It's about strategy, patience, education, and discipline. Whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000, smart investing habits can lead to long-term financial success. Start where you are, learn as you go, and remember, the earlier you start, the better your future will look.